else, what's going on in your world?
Tom, it's I've got an interesting world right now. So between personal and business, but I have to say this: it's so good to be back on the T&M side of it, working with the contractors. And a lot of things have happened. We got AI going into it, but making the decision to go back was not tough. I was away for about 5 years, and I learned a lot. I had the joy of watching you through large loss mastery and what you have been doing and what you've done for this industry. I have to say that as well. So, but a lot of good things are going on. I've got eight wonderful grandkids,
Wow.
and they all live with about 2 miles of me. I don't know if that's good or bad. Sometimes it's good, but they range in the ages of 17 all the way down to two. So it's a good range, but life has been good. It really has. The blessings have been there. The ability to go out and do some more travel and speak at some of these conferences have been fantastic. You mentioned yours in December. I can't wait till December. That's 10 years going back. I used to love these classes that you had and to be able to participate in them. So man, I could sit here all day and tell you the good things that are happening, and I'm all excited about it. So, yeah,
Well, good. Papa Uber.
yeah.
Do you have an Uber rate?
Oh,
Because I know being that close to the kids, you're Papa Uber.
Papa Uber is, yeah. I mean, yeah, yeah. Let me put it to you this way: they know how to FaceTime me, they know how to call me,
Uh-huh.
and it continues happening until I answer. And I'll put it to you this way. So, I put a pool in about 3 years ago. Oh my gosh, would I put another one in? No.
Well, the problem is you get to take care of the pool.
Oh yeah.
Everybody else gets to enjoy the pool.
Yes. And the biggest problem with that, Tom, when they asked me if I would put a pool in, they all promised me one thing. If you
Mhm.
put it in, we'll vacuum it, we'll clean it. And I've told them now, hey, it's been there for 3 years and there's not but one guy doing the vacuuming. It's the same guy that put it in. So, but I love watching them swim. I mean, you know, it puts the whole family together and you can't beat that.
Yep.
That's the one thing about pools, and they're for children, for kids. I mean, it's like the greatest thing that there could possibly be.
Mhm. Yeah.
And you just got to keep them safe. Make sure
Mhm.
everybody knows the rules. Make sure that everybody's staying by them so no one gets hurt. That type of thing. But yeah, it's a good babysitter, and it keeps them all right there.
Right there inside the fence.